Have you been given an estimate of over $350 just to replace this headlight in your 2013 Cadillac ATS? Well, I'm going to show you how it's done in less than 20 minutes. Okay, when you open this light bulb, make sure you don't touch the glass, because or else it'll burn. Okay, so here's a light bulb, here's a connector, press it in. So we're gonna have to put it into the socket. Okay, so I was able to manage to get it in there, the light bulb. As you can see, it has to go with the connector up. Okay, it's a little bit complicated to get it into the socket, but once you get it in there, just so you know, the connector goes upwards. Okay, this right here is the cover for the light bulb. So all you got to do is just find its spot and then twist it right so it'll lock in, and then to remove it, twist the left so you can take it out and take the light bulb out. Okay, so now let's install the bolts back. These right here, these are the liner bolts. This must be on. This right here, these are the liner bolts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all you got to remove. Let's put it back in. Okay, you know what I'm forgetting? To test the light before I put the bolts back. Let's see if it works. On, off, on, off. Okay, there you go. Well, if you don't have an impact like I do, just go ahead and use your wrench from your car. Most of the cars have their own wrench in the back, the tire wrench. If you don't have a jack like I do, just use the jack comes with the car. And if you like the content you just saw, please help me out by subscribing. Help me out by a like, because it's a fairly new channel. And thank you, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.